Here's your real week. You're guessing what to brew and eating the ones that don't sell. You're the only person who actually knows where the numbers are, so nothing happens unless you go dig them out. And once a month, you lose a night to a federal form that punishes you for being late. None of that is a software problem you're missing a button for. It's that your software makes you do the work. What if it did the work and you just said yes? 3 things KettleiQ does, so you don't have to. And here's exactly how the work gets done. First, stop paying to store your own guesses. Cash frozen in the wrong inventory. Too much of the one that sits, not enough of the one that flies. Watch how KettleiQ closes that gap for you. It starts on your dashboard. KettleiQ already read your real sell-through overnight and flagged the gap, 42 barrels short across 5 SKUs. From your dashboard, open Make, jump to MRP, and there it is, Piña Colada, 20 barrels short, the single biggest hole in your inventory, with the batch ready to schedule. You didn't build a forecast, you just acted on one. Second, and this is the one nobody else has, you stop being the only person who can find the answer. Every other app, the intelligence is you. Here it's Ricky, and she's already done the work. From the same dashboard, open your Action Center. This is Ricky's work, waiting for you. She read your receivables, your orders, your reps' routes overnight, and drafted the moves. Open 1. Here's the follow-up she wrote. The account, the reason, the next step. Nothing goes out until you tap approve. You're not doing the work. You're just saying yes. Third, take back the night you lose to compliance every month. The dread isn't the deadline. It's the 2 hours of digging to fill a federal form by hand and the fear you got one wrong. Back on your dashboard, the filing that's due is already surfaced before it bit you. Open account, and here's the return, the whole form already built for you. Every line pulled from the beer you actually made and shipped. No digging, no hand keying, 2 minutes of review instead of 2 hours of dread, and you file on time. That's KettleiQ. It builds what your market is actually buying. It works your data overnight and hands you the decisions. It turns compliance into a 2-minute review. One place, running the whole brewery, so you stop being the integration between 5 tools you're paying for. You don't need more software to operate. You need software that operates for you. Let's put your real numbers in it and show you your first morning of work already done.